Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, grade 7. Hope so you all are fine. This is the first online lecture of mathematics, grade 7. Now let's start our lecture. Date 28 June 2020, week 1 and day Monday. Now let's start. Open your book of mathematics and page number 6. Which page? Page number 6. Now firstly we read theory of this chapter number 1, operation on sets. Which chapter is given? Operation on sets. Now let's start. Basic concepts of sets. What is a set? What is a set? A set is a group or collection of distinct, well-defined objects. What is the definition of set? A set is a group or collection of distinct, well-defined objects. Means a set is a group or collection of distinct, well-defined. Means एक ग्रुप जिसमें ऑब्जेक्ट्स जो हों वो वेल डिफाइंड क्लियरली डिफाइंड हो, डिस्टिंक्ट डिफरेंट हो और प्रोमिनेंट हो. I will explain this definition to you. Well defined. In this definition, what is meant by well defined? Well defined means that any values used in it is properly defined. In a set, any object or any values used is properly defined. For example, 5, 10, 100, 1000, 2000. In 5 number, it means that you have to know that the number is from 1 to 5. From 1 to 5. We have cleared that we are known about these numbers, what type of these numbers are given. Number 2, distinct. What is this? Distinct. Distinct object, every values must be different from others and it's not matched with the first value. If this happened, then our set definition is completed. A set is a group or collection of distinct, well-defined objects. For example, consider a set of interesting cartoons. Here the term interesting cartoons means different things to people, different people. This term is not clearly defined, hence it does not form a set. Means it's not a set. On page 7, the objects in a set are written within a pair of curly brackets. Objects of set are written in curly brackets. These objects are called members or elements of set. Each member is said to belong to the set. The symbol is the member is used to denote belongs to or is an element or is a member. For example, F is a set of ice cream flavors available at an ice cream shop. Therefore, F different flavors are here given. Here chocolate is a member of F, but orange is not member because orange flavor is not given and chocolate flavor is given. So chocolate is a member of F set, but orange flavor is not a member of F set. How set is represented? A set can be represented in three forms: descriptive form, set builder form, tabular form. Descriptive form: a set described in descriptive terms. Descriptive form. What is descriptive form? A set described in descriptive terms is called descriptive form. Example: A equals first 5 natural number. Descriptive means that how to write in English letter, that is descriptive. Set of 5 natural numbers. So it is descriptive set. Set builder form: a set written as rule. Example: firstly, some sets are written according to rules is set builder form. Tabular: a set with the elements of set written directly. A set those are written in numbers directly is called tabular form. In set builder form, example is given. Firstly, we see that how we speak this example. So how we read this example? So let's start. A equals curly brackets x for all values of x, whereas for all values of x, whereas x is natural numbers and x is less than natural number. In tabular form, example: A equals curly bracket starts 1 2 3 4 5 curly bracket ends a close. So in this example, the numbers which came we write in a sets in its original form. These are natural numbers. Next topic: what are the different types of set? Means different types of sets. Number 1, empty set. Empty set containing no elements. It is denoted by empty or 5. Example: B equals to integers between 0 and 1 and B equals to empty set. Finite set, a set containing only finite number of elements. Example is given here. Infinite set, a set which is not finite. Its example is also given here. Disjoint sets which have no common elements. Example. Its example is also given. Overlapping sets which have at least one common element. Means a set which have at least one common element is called overlapping sets. Equivalent sets which have an equal number of elements. Equivalent sets need not have exactly the same elements. Means equivalent set are those which have an equal number of elements in both sets, there is no restriction that equivalent sets needs not have exactly the same elements. Example is also given. Its example is also given. Equal set which contain the same elements. Example also given. Universal set which contains all the sets under consideration. Subset, a set that is fully contained in a bigger set. The bigger set is called the superset. Null set is a subset of every set, and every set is a subset of itself. All other sets are proper subsets. Now I will explain empty set. In empty set, b equals to, in example, b equals to integers numbers between 0 and 1, or b equals to empty set. B equals to empty set. So b equals to 5. B equals to 5. So it's a empty set. It's an empty set like this. Empty set is not written like that. Finite set. Firstly, we take our given example. It said C equals to 1, 4, 9, 16. C equals, what that is given? 1, 4, 9 and 16. So firstly we scarce number starting from 1. 1 into 1, 1. 2 into 2, 2 का square, तो 4. 9, 3 into 3, 16, 4 into 4. 1 का स्क्वायर 1, 2 का स्क्वायर 4, 3 का स्क्वायर 9, 4 का स्क्वायर 16. If we do square of 5, it will comes 25. What it comes? 25. So after 16, 25 is bigger for our set. Here we have 4 members, 4 elements of set. 1, 2, 3, 4. So it will be a finite set. Which set it? It will be a finite set. Because after 4 square or 5 square is greater than the given set. So our set end up here, and it will be a finite set because it has 4 members. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hope so you understand it. In finite set, in this set we have given that example. D equals to 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Bracket start 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 and so on. Then bracket close. So in this set we have given unlimited numbers. Which numbers? Unlimited number. So we say that it will be infinite set. This set is infinite set because it has unlimited numbers. Because it has unlimited numbers. So in this we have no say that it ends at 15 because this set is given so on. No limit is known here, so it will be infinite. Next one, number 4, disjoint set. In this set we have given these two sets in examples. E bracket close 2 3 4 bracket close, F brackets open 5 6 7 brackets close. So in these sets E and F, both the values of these sets are totally different from others. Here 2 and here 5, so it will be totally different. Like here 3 and here 6, these two are also different. Here 4 and no values is same in both set. In these sets all values are different, so these sets are called disjoint set. Which set it will be called? Disjoint set. Disjoint set. In disjoint set all the values are totally different. Next one is overlapping set. In overlapping set we have given two sets. G equals bracket open 1 2 3 bracket close, A set bracket open 2 3 4 bracket close. So in these sets we have two numbers are common, 2 2 3 and 3. These two numbers are common in these given sets. So those sets in which two values are common, so it's called overlapping sets. Means next set is 2 and 3. These two numbers are common in these values, so it will be overlapping set. Which set? Overlapping set.